Yeah, what's up, y'all? Dominoes is back at home, okay? Spending hours at Comic-Con and everything else, okay? So this skit right here, this part, what would go good at Comic-Con? Fried chicken, close, okay? Okay? Yep. But what would go with them video game posters? Fried chicken. Chicken good. But I want to ask y'all, what would go with these posters right here? What would go with these posters, everything? Fried chicken, okay? Doing Popeyes this time than churches, you know. So what would go with them pictures that I'm gonna post after this segment? Fried chicken, okay? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I had so much fun talking to Rachel and all them people, Super Retro Land and everything else, gaming, retro gaming and everything. That's just so we'll go with this wristband, fried chicken. So what would I do? What would I do after taking this wristband off? Fried chicken, okay? We'll go with this jacket. Fried chicken, okay? We'll go with this jacket right here. We'll go with this jacket that I just took off. Fried chicken, okay? And what will go with this a Super Mario 64 poster, fried chicken, okay? What will go with this CD right here, fried chicken, okay? What would go with this Grand Theft Auto 5 one, fried chicken, okay? All right. And folks, what will go with this Mario Kart 8 Deluxe poster, or with this Donkey Kong Country Dixie Kong's Double Trouble? Fried chicken, okay? Yes, indeed, okay? And by the way, what would go with this Super Mario World poster? Super Mario 3 poster, Donkey Kong Country 2 Diddy's Conquest poster, Mega Man 2 poster, and this Donkey Kong Country 1 poster. What will go with that? We'll go with those. Fried chicken, okay? Yes, indeed. Oh, everybody loves fried chicken, though. I love it, okay? Yes, indeed. So, all right, with them pennies and everything, I mean, it was awesome. But anyway, what will go with this biscuit? Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Okay. All right. All right. Fried chicken. See ya. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken.